really enjoy going out and creating beautiful landscape images. My name is Lars Schneider and I'm a photographer. Sometimes need a few hours or a few days to wait for the right moment, and I really, really enjoy that. It just makes the whole thing, being a photographer, complete. But for my landscape photography, I've always relied on Hasselblad medium format cameras. To create a beautiful landscape image, you need great optical quality.
My name is Jimmy. I'm the camera product manager in OnePlus. On OnePlus 9 series camera, we have great camera setup. With the freeform lens technology, we are able to put a large sensor inside the ultra-wide camera.
The biggest success is that we have space to improve the true color, because Hasselblad's experience in the natural color really enhance our knowledge.
We bring the authentic Hasselblad experience to our Pro mode. You can adjust the shutter speed, the white balance, so everything is in your control. With every click, you feel like you are holding a Hasselblad camera in your hand.
There's this cliché saying of the best camera is the one that you always have with you, and that's really true. As a photographer, you always go for the best quality in images. For being a phone camera, I really enjoyed the outcome. Hasselblad with a very old and strong heritage, OnePlus being relatively young, so it's cool that they come together to create something new.
Photos shot on the OnePlus 9 series camera has a stunning color style, which allows you to take your best shot.